Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I will show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you're going to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key, volume up and home button, all keys at the same time. And once you see this screen right here, you can let go of the keys, give it a second, and it should boot us into the recovery mode. So there we go. Now in this mode we will need to use volume keys to get rid of this, to navigate. So volume down will go down and up will go up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see from here, we can reboot the device and go back to the Android. We can reboot to bootloader, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, relax, run tests, power off, and do some kind of lacking storage booting. I have no idea what that is, to be completely honest. So anyway, like I mentioned, whatever you select, you will then confirm with power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with reboot system now and then confirm it with power key, which will take me back to Android. Now it does take a moment for it to leave the recovery mode. Just give it a second. You should see right here in a second rebooting. There we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.